into the onion, into the egg. Hi, how y'all doing? Welcome to 1K Yellow Diamond channel. This channel is all about fun, food, and family. But before we get into this recipe, make sure you all subscribe, hit that post notification bell, share this video out to your friends and family, and leave a comment and let me know what the next tutorial you would like to see me do, and thumbs up this video. Okay, as y'all can tell by the title, I am pickling red onions, which is my favorite. I love onions. So if you love onions, put a 1 in the comment section. And I'm also pickling jalapeno boiled eggs. My husband loves them. I love them too. So let's get with it. Okay, you guys, this is all of the ingredients you will need to pickle your red onions, as well as your jalapeno boiled eggs. So we have eggs, red onions, jalapeno, habanero pepper, garlic pepper, sugar, vinegar, apple cider vinegar, salt, and water we will need. So who's ready to pickle today? Okay, first we need a nice size red onion, washed and clean. We're gonna cut so we got that nice and peeled, and then we're going to slice and dice. Cut it in half. And nice thin slices. Now you can slice them thin, thick, medium size. I would say I kind of like mine not extra thin and not too thick. Then we're going to add it to a nice jar, nice clean jar, and just break them up as you're putting them in the jar. Next, 2 cloves of garlic. One. Peel your garlic. Make sure you have all the peelings off, and put it in there. Some whole black peppers. We want about a half of tablespoon of black pepper, coarse black pepper. A tablespoon of whole black pepper. This is a half a tablespoon, so I'm gonna use 2. So 2 half tablespoons or 1 tablespoon. We're gonna set this to the side and make the brine. So in this pan, we will add 1/2 cup of water, 1/2 cup, well, a half of cup of water, a half a cup of vinegar, a half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar. 1, 2, a half a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Now we're gonna put that on a fire, let it warm up and simmer until all the salt and sugar dissolves. We're gonna warm that up until all the salt, sugar dissolves, and pretty much it has. It doesn't take that long at all. I would say about 1 to 2 minutes. You don't want it to boil. Now with this same solution, we're gonna make it also for the boiled eggs. We're gonna use this same solution for the pickled jalapeno boiled eggs. Okay, let's pour it into the jar of onions. You're gonna seal that jar up and shake it around. And there you go. Now this is so good once it has set up for at least a week. But you can start eating it after 12 hours. So, but we're gonna give it a 24-hour period. And we're gonna come back and try this on something. So make sure you all be on the lookout for that video. Now let's move on to the pickled jalapeno boiled egg. Let's get with it. Okay, we are on the pickled jalapeno boiled eggs. So, as you can see, I have the peppers here. We want 2 peppers, 2 cloves of garlic, and I like it extra spicy. So we got 1 habanero. I don't know if I'm gonna put half or the whole thing. And we got our boiled eggs. Yes. If you want to boil your eggs, it's a very simple process. And if you want a tutorial on how to get the perfect boiled egg, let me know and I will do it. So let's get the chopping up. The jalapenos, they are washed. Everything is washed and clean. And you can chop them up thin, you can chop them up thick, however you like them. I like some of mine to be chunky and some to be thin. Next, the clove of garlic. And we're gonna chop these. Just chop them thick. Boom, that's it. Okay. We have our mason jar. We're gonna put half of the jalapenos in, half of the garlic, and habanero pepper in. Yes, add them seeds. We're gonna add the boiled eggs. Some crushed red pepper, because we like it spicy. I'll say about a half a tablespoon of crushed red pepper. Coarse, whole black pepper. And the rest of the jalapenos and garlic, seeds and all. Next, we're gonna add the vinegar, sugar, salt, water into the jar. Shake it up. You could have it in 12 hours, or it's so much better if you have it in a few days or to a week. So yes, but you want it to cool off, because remember we had to warm the brine up so all the salt and sugar can dissolve. So we want this. Once when it cool, you can put it in your refrigerator. Guys, there go the pickled eggs and the pickled red onions. Now, like I said, it tastes so much better if you wait. Now, you can eat it in 12 hours and you still taste the flavor, but if you want those flavors to marinate, y'all, marinate into the onion, into the egg, wait, I'll say, at least 24 hours, but 7 days, yum. So once when these jars cool, put them in your refrigerator. Once when they cool down, go ahead and try it. But we're gonna come back and taste it. I will say maybe tomorrow. We'll come back and taste it tomorrow in 24 hours. So watch out for that video. We're gonna eat it with something. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and that's it.